Alright, and official din kitang hinahamon for our 1v1 challenge. For our 1v1 challenge. 1v1 challenge. Yo, what's up mga kaslam? I am Junix. I am the owner and CEO of Slam House PH. Kakabalik ko lang from Singapore. Ayun, and as you know, we have an ongoing grand raffle, no? For just $999 per ticket entry, pwede kang manalo ng 8 million condo unit in Amaya Steps, Novali, Laguna. Ako mismo yung may-ari niyan, pinaparaffle ko for a life-changing chance. Again, for a life-changing chance. Sana sumali ka para pag nanalo ka, magbabago talaga yung buhay mo. Yan, how to join? Just click the link and follow all the easy steps. Alright, and official din kitang hinahamon for our 1v1 challenge. Ang gagawin natin, very easy. Mag 1-on-1 tayo, ako yung mga kalaban mo. Up to 5. Pag na 5-0 mo ako, bibigyan kita ng libreng ticket. Pero pag nanalo ka, pero hindi 5-0, bibigyan kita ng 50% discount. Or pwede kang sumali sa ating first season Slam House PH Cup this upcoming November 2025. Yun lang. So please like, subscribe, and comment, no? Dahil dyan ako pipili ng mga kalaban ko. Yun. So Slam House PH, Slam Hard, Wear Loud, peace out. See you.